So in
that's
your proposed bill, how will you differentiate your legislated Independent People's Commission?
Unang-una, the Independent People's Commission should be completely independent. Ika nga, talagang ang mga membro nito na pinopropose ko, 5. A retired Supreme Court Justice, kung pwede, Chief Justice, or Supreme Court Justice, or a Court of Appeals Justice, who shall serve as a chairperson. Katapos dapat meron dong certified public accountant na merong expertise in forensic accounting. And then a civil engineer or architect para nakakaintindi ng mga ganyan. At yung isa pa, yung representative from a reputable non-government organization or civil society for that matter. Diba? Dapat meron talagang publiko ay represented doon. Sa bagay, lahat yan, publiko naman.
Yeah.
Pero, and then, an academician with specialization in public administration or economics. Either or. Pagka ganyan, siguradong mas malawak ang mararating ng investigasyon nila at magiging analysis nila ng mga bagay. Now, it will have subpoena powers. Ang isa sa mga idadagdag ko rito, doon I'm not sure kasi if I was able to put it in the draft. Kasi submit lang na report to the President and Congress, ganun lang yun eh.
Yeah.
Pero the hearing was late this afternoon, idadagdag ko or I will clarify what the intention of saying that it may initiate prosecution. Yun dapat merong ganon na power sila.
Parang sa yung complainant.
Oo, pwedeng ganon.
Hindi, right now, complainant siya.
Hindi,
Prosecutor.
prosecutor.
Oo.
Pwede. Parang complainant siya. Ini-initiate niya yung dapat ito, kasuhan ito. Ganon. Well, we'll try to find a good line to be able to define that properly in the bill. But as I said, it's going to be this afternoon.